Album ng SB19, Wakas at Simula, nag-number 1 sa New Zealand. Ito po ay binahagi ng Facebook page na SB18 New Zealand. Samantala, nag-update din ang US18 about sa album ng SB19 at tignan nyo po ang price ng Wakas at Simula. $13.99 po yan. Siyempre, update pa rin po hinggil sa nasabi nga pong album ng SB19 mula sa US18. Update 5:30 p.m. The Wakas at Simula album has reached number 7 on the US iTunes All Genres album chart and number 4 on the pop album chart. Congratulations SB19, great job 18 all over the US. Let's keep the momentum going and push them even higher. The following tracks have debuted on the US iTunes Pop Songs. Number 60, Wakas. Number 61, Memories. Number 68, Toy Friend. Number 73, Ever Black. Number 86, Emoji SB19, Wakas at Simula with Jolens. Number 92, Visa. Number 107, Emoji SB19 and Jolene, Wakas at Simula. Number 129, Mana. Number 134, Mapa. Number 143, Basinga. Number 142, Basinga. Number 186, SLMT. Number 200, Emoji SB19 and Jolene Single. Thank you everyone, 18. Yan po ang pasasalamat ng US18 dahil sa unity ng fandom ng SB19 na 18. Kasalukuyang nasa 495,512 views in 13 hours ago to be exact ang music video ng SB19X Jolene Emody. Ito po ay producers Philip John Susan, Luke April. So si Ken po ang nag-produce nito at ang composer po ng lyrics na ito ay si Philip or si Ken, si John Paulo Nase, Jolene, Joshua Daniel Nase, and Chandy. So sila po ang mga nasa loob ng nasabi nga pong collaboration nito at of course ang collaboration ng 1Z Entertainment at ang management nga po ng nasabing humahawak na ahensya kay Miss Jolene. Umabot na po ng 11,100 comments ang nasabi nga pong music video na Emoji sa YouTube channel ng SB19. So, grabe, puro po mga Korean, I don't know, Taiwanese, Japanese, ang mga nagko-comment po dito, karamihan po sa kanila. Ang ilan ay sinasabi na I honestly don't know how to describe my feelings right now seeing SB19 and Jolene Chai standing in the same frame. I got goosebumps instantly and even felt like crying. This isn't just a collaboration, it's the kind of impact where two worlds truly collide. The moment the music started and the screen opened, I was completely stunned. A single word can simultaneously evoke pride, emotion, awe, an overwhelming unspoken love. I'll keep replaying it not because I didn't understand it, but because I don't want it to end. Yan po ang mensahe ng isa nga pong banyaga. At yan ang ating latest Showbiz Snap update. Tumutok lang po for more. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.